Hello everybody, my name is Samantha Stewart and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have an amazing unboxing from Russell Hogue, and he's out of Niles, Michigan. So, and look how big this is. It's huge. From Russ at It's Raining Yarn. So, when you open the box, you see all of this is amazing yarn right there. And it's heavy. So the first thing I'm going to show this is all Hirschner's yarn, worsted yarn from Hirschner, and this color. Do we have another one of these? Is this the same color? Hold on. This is sweet. No. So this is the only colorway, and the color name is Sweet. Look at how gorgeous this yarn is. I hope you guys like it. Look how pretty it is. And it's so soft and squishy. So, thank you, Russ. The next colorway is the same brand, Hirschner's Worsted. And the color name is Sandstone. I think this is not. And there's two of the sandstone. So, there you go. The next thing in this box is worsted striped yarn. Excuse me if I'm sniffling. In the colorway Serenity. And look at this colorway. It's so soft and squishy. This is the same brand, Hirschner's Worsted Striped Yarn, in the colorway, let's see, Sizzling Sunset. Can't wait to make more boggy. I hope I can make some beautiful things with this, or combine it. I'm not sure, but it's pretty soft. There we go. Let's see. Should we go on to this? This is worsted striped yarn in the colorway Neutrals. And so I think it's really pretty. And I can't wait to make something with it. The next, I'm going to do the bow tie first. And then I'm Hirschner Worsted Striped Yarn in the colorway Moroccan. Macarona? Or Mercano? Kana? But it's gorgeous and it's very pretty. And oh, I love it. So, and did I forgot. This is, wait, did I get the sandstone 3? Sorry if I got another worsted yarn in the colorway Sandstone. I can hold them all up together. So I got another one of those. That might be a Bonnie Creek blanket. I'm getting down to the end here. This yarn is Hirschner Worsted Jumbo Yarn in the colorway Plum Wine. And I got 2 of the plum line. I got 2 of them. Sorry if I need to close the box. In the plum line. Ooh, yeah. Can't wait to make in the plum line. In this box, if I have enough room, I might be able to fit some Boggy Creek blankets in here. This is Hirschner worsted yarn in the colorway soft yellow. This is not, but there was another soft yellow. And here's the soft yellow. I thought I had another one of the same brand. Or the same colorway. So, that's that. I think these are 2 together. But, I got worsted yarn from Hirschner in the colorway Goldenrod? I think it's golden. There's, and got the same worsted yarn in the colorway Goldenrod. So it's hard to show up on camera, but it looks darker than what you think. So I got those from Russ at It's Raining Yarn. Ooh, I'm almost done with this haul and then I can get to the end of my field. But I got worsted yarn in cranberry, and I got Hirschner's worsted yarn in cranberry. So here's the cranberry flavor yarn. So I got those. I will put the yarn back in the box when I'm done. The next colorway I got is Hirschner's worsted yarn in the colorway, if you can see that, spruce? I think it's spruce. Yes, spruce. I'm going to feel the squishiness of this colorway. So, I got spruce. We're down to the final box of yarn here. I got Hirschner's worsted yarn in the colorway eggplant. Here's that colorway for any of you guys want to see it and feel the squishiness. There's that colorway. And the last thing inside the box is whatever this brand is. Vortex Worth. I think it's Vortex, I think. Yeah, something, if you can read that. Yarn in worsted in the colorway No Dye-Lot. What's the name of this one? Trying to find the label for you. Or the... Did it say? I think it's Blanco or white. White Blanco. And it's still pretty. I love this. And I didn't tell you how many yarns are in all of these, but in those I didn't tell you. But in this one, the 100% acrylic, no dye-lot, knitting worsted weight I can use for crochet, but people might knit with this. 14 ounces, 400 grams, approximately 867 yards, and 792 meters in this skein. Wow. This is pretty cool. And I had to do this video. I couldn't do it. And so, oh my gosh, it's so squishy. I wanted it. Oh my gosh. And that's all the yarn that I got from Russ It's Raining Yarn. So I'm going to put the yarn back in the box nicely. It's a lot of yarn. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Russ. It's Raining Yarn for sending this box to me. I'm going to figure out how to organize my box. But thank you so much. I know it means a lot, and I will make bug crate blankets with these. I'm almost done packaging it up. Maybe I put you over here and you right there. Okay. Maybe I should have just put the, hold on. I'm reorganizing the jumbos in the first place. The jumbos. There you go, jumbos. I'm going to pack it nicely. Okay. There is that one. If it works to be on top of the box, I'm packaging it nicely. I don't think it's going to shut, but it's fine. And that's the end of the yarn. At the end of the yarn haul, I got it nicely. Oh. Sorry, I have to put it right by my bed. There we go. I'm back now. Sorry, I'm moving all over the place and everything else. But thank you so much, Russ, at It's Raining Yarn, for sending this box out to me. I really appreciated it. I had to get this video out to my viewers on my channel. Hopefully you guys like it. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't also already, and share the video. And I will give a shout out to Russ, and I will tag him when I do the thumbnail and everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching me unbox this video with everyone today. And if you have a good Friday night, and enjoy your weekend. And don't forget to go over to Cynthia's Joyful Creation and do movie night. Whoever will see this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great night. Love you all. And I also want to say, nuns and joy. Joyful. Be joyful, everyone. Stay crafty in your own way. Make your own joyful creation. And be the joy in everything you do. Nuns and joy. Love you. Bye. Bye, everyone.